The two bicycle tires were replaced about 3.5 years ago. I'm about to visit Manimajra Market in order to purchase two Firefox 26 inches 1.95 bicycle tires. Since the rear one has been completely damaged and there is no airspace between the treads, due to which small minute wires or nails easily penetrates inside the tire tube. Since we have sold Volt's 29 inches bicycle, so I have 1500 rupees surplus. Hope I will manage to buy the tire set in 1400 rupees and then spend the remaining amount in replacing the brake shoes. And this handle cover also, which used to detach the openly. So I have loaded this bicycle on an electric auto rickshaw. वो पीछे रह गया भैया, ये तो है. Earlier I had told you that on 16th of this month I went to the market in order to search good quality tires of 1.75 into 26 inches, but I failed to find any one of them, due to which I returned back and then ordered two Bedrock 1.75 into 26 inches tires along with Hartex tire tubes from Amazon. I will receive tires and tubes by 28th of this month and then start vlogging again on bicycle. Till then I will continue to record from house only. All of these products, including one tire tube and two tires, costed about 1350 rupees. I want to sell the remaining old worn out tires, and I assume that it is possible to fetch about 100 rupees. There is no sense on buying the second tire tube. In the meantime, I will continue riding using one tire also, and one tire of Bedrock with Hartex tube. There are few Indian manufacturers who are producing good quality lightweight tires. All of them are marking and pasting own trademarks after purchasing from only one or two manufacturers like Ralston or any other manufacturer like Bedrock from Telangana. Everyone knows that Firefox is an Indian company, but since its name resembles a internet browser, all of these Indians try to deceive the buyers as if they are Chinese products, and nowadays they have started importing from China and also started mixing products from Indian manufacturers. Moreover, the mass hysteria of line logo is permanently persisting in their minds, due to which it becomes very difficult to buy any product from the market. Ultimately, it's their own loss because they can't tolerate secular congressmen buyers in their markets, even when they will lose immense amount of money and their economy and business will collapse totally. They will keep on promoting line logos throughout their lives. Waltz bicycle was purchased about 6 years ago. Ordinary buyers will never understand their tactics. Most of them used to keep one 700 hybrid bicycle tacked in the series of 2.4 into 26 or 2.4 into 29 or 2.2 into 29 inches tire 6061 aluminum bicycles or iron frame bicycles also. And whenever any customer mistakenly point towards that bicycle, they used to rant exaggerated awareness campaign about hybrid bicycles. Since 90% of the bicyclists assume that MTB and urban bicycles are the only two ones available in the market, when they feel some discouragement, then they used to wait at the shop and look here and there and try to compensate at Indian brands also. And then they used to fight with their children that you are not even aware that urban bicycles, MTB, and the third one, hybrids are also available. And then the children or students start ignoring 6061 also. They used to forget that aluminum alloy bicycles are existing in this world, which are not manufactured in India and which will not be available in near future also because of the dishonesty and devotion towards Moscow demolition group and church vandalizing group who treat India and China as a united coalition country and assume that whatever products which are imported are not only assembled but after completing research and development, many industries have started evolving in this country. That is so simple for high intelligence people, but otherwise 95% of Indians will never understand what kind of trap they are stuck in. But I agree that there was a wastage of 60 rupees on auto. But whenever any deceiving person or any cheater shopkeepers and market areas try to distract my attention and I am also behaving in a normal manner and without assuming any kind of foul play, while the other one was just narrating that in few months it will become mandatory that no tire below 2.4 thickness will be allowed in this country because of the potholes and poor conditions. Moreover, all of these products are being manufactured in India only. Even if India has started manufacturing some products from past 40 years, these are such day-to-day products which should not be promoted by them. And I feel assumed, shocked, and surprised, and feel pity on these foolish Indians also. Thanks a lot for joining my broadcast. After installing Bedrock tires and Hartex tire tube, I will try to buy 1.95 26 inches good quality tire tube from the market also, so that at least if I have to pay service charge to some poor mechanics, I can be satisfied that I am giving some profit in the manner or through buying any tire tube also. Moreover, I wanted to buy these products from the markets only. I don't want to rely on online sellers, especially for this urban bicycle purchased from Chandigarh, which was totally imported and it was manufactured in United Kingdom.